back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very exciting travel vlog. I recently took a girls trip to Vegas and I wanted to do a pack with me and show you guys just the trip. So let's get started. I am the queen of carry-on luggage. Only carry on my luggage if I can help it. I rarely ever check a bag, so I have a ton of tips and tricks for you on how I pack my carry-on. So jumping right into it, my luggage today is from a brand called Monos. It's a Canadian travel lifestyle brand offering timeless premium goods for the mindful traveler. So this carry-on suitcase is called the Hybrid Carry-On Plus, and I seriously love it. It's become my favorite piece of luggage thus far. It's outfitted with a zipperless aluminum frame, which I've come to love because it's so much easier to open and close. It also has a unbreakable polycarbonate shell and all color match components, from an ultra sturdy telescope handle to the 2 TSA approved locks and whisper quiet wheels. And I can confirm this is the smoothest suitcase I've ever had. It's so easy to roll because obviously I want the smoothest experience possible. And last but not least, the inside is made with a built-in compression pad draped with 350 denier polyester fabric that is durable, waterproof, antibacterial, and luxuriously soft to the touch. I also have their packing cubes as well, which I love. They're really thick and sturdy and nice, but they also come with a double zipper so you can really get all the extra air out of your suitcase and pack in the most efficient way possible. This suitcase is my now go-to carry-on luggage because I can fit so much inside of it, which I'm going to show you in a minute. But if you want to get your hands on one, definitely check out the link in the description box. They're giving my followers 10% off your purchase with the code Antoinette. That will be in the description box for you to check out. Also, a huge thank you to Monos for sponsoring this portion of today's video, and let's go ahead and get started on the packing. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I'm really good at packing a carry-on suitcase, even for like a week of clothes. I swear I could do it. So my first tip is packing neutral bottoms and then fun tops. This is actually a one piece that I wore a lot. I highly recommend bringing things like that you can wear a lot and put different jackets over and make different outfits. Here I'm showing you a little skirt. I loved this neutral skirt. I wore it many times, which you'll see throughout the video, and then I just paired it with a couple different types of tops and jackets. That way my outfits go a little longer. Try to link everything in the description box for you guys as well. As far as outfits, that dress is from Meshki. This one is like a Fashion Nova dress that I didn't even wear. Of course, I'm packing a couple extra things just in case. As I mentioned earlier, these packing cubes are great. You're gonna see me use the double zipper here and it just gets it so much flatter. You can really push out all the air from your clothes, and I'm just a huge proponent of packing cubes. They are so useful, especially when you get to your hotel. And if you're an unpacker, you can just throw the cubes straight into the drawers and keep your clothes protected and also easy to access. Here I'm throwing in some extra bathing suits because I thought I was going to need those in Vegas. It's actually freezing in Vegas, so I didn't need them, but I love this little rectangular cube, packing cube, for putting undergarments, just things that are small and flat. Packing a carry-on suitcase is like a game of Tetris. These are just some really nice underwear that I found off Amazon. I'm gonna leave these linked too, but they're the really flat kind that you can't see under your clothes. They're really nice. So I will be sure to leave those linked, and they were so easy to pack. And then here I'm using some nipple covers for some of the dresses I bought, also from Amazon. And then I'm just gonna close her up. And then I also use like 1 or 2 jackets depending on the location. But if you bring a good denim jacket and a good leather jacket, you can pair it over all of your outfits. Packing cube is for pajamas. I threw in a cute matching set and a couple t-shirts, and then I zipped that up. I like to really stuff my clothes in there. You get so much more room when you're packing this way. My next tip is to keep a toiletry bag with backups of all your favorite products that you use. That way you don't have to pack and unpack when you get home from a trip. I've had this toiletry bag for a couple years and it just stays under my sink with everything I might need: shampoo, conditioner, deodorant, and anything. And it just stays packed always. So here I'm just doing my little Tetris game of putting in some boots, shoes. I don't know about you guys, but I really packed this suitcase, and this is why I love this one more than my other carry-ons that I use, because I can fit so much more in it. And then my favorite part, the 2 locks. So much easier to use this instead of a zipper. I'm really a huge fan of this luggage, truly. So yeah, that is how I pack a carry-on, and then I always bring a extra bag. I highly recommend doing this. Just a large, nice leather bag, and you can put your other bags. As you can see here, I put some of my clutches in there, and I also keep an electronics bag, just like my toiletry bag. It just stays packed at all times. It has an extra charger, anything electronic wise, and I like to keep a spare of everything. That way I don't have to pack and unpack. So that's it for my packing with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Here's my little girls trip to Vegas. I went with Amber and Bree. I did not film a proper intro for it, but we went for their birthdays, so that's it. Enjoy the vlog. What should I say? Okay, we finagled our way to seat 28. Don't worry about it, it's a long story. My vlog camera broke, so I'm stuck with you guys, but hopefully it will make a really nice cinematic vlog for you. So 45 minutes until touchdown, hopefully. Yes, one more hour. We made it and we checked into our hotel. I want to show you guys a little sneak preview of the hotel. We're staying at the Conrad Resort World here in Vegas. And super cute, super chic, such a fun little girls weekend. So I'm getting ready to wash my face really fast and just do a quick freshen up here in the bathroom. We're gonna go to lunch at somewhere called Cassie Beach, I think. So I wanted to just intro that, let you guys know, keeping you up to date. And I'm gonna change and I'll be back to show you guys what I have on. We made it out of the hotel room. Completely forgot to show you guys what I have on. Nothing too exciting though. That super cute bodysuit I showed you guys in my last video from Naked Wardrobe. It is perfect for a little Vegas, little lunch, brunch, wherever we're going. Super excited. It is freezing here. Last time I was here, it was 110 degrees out, so. Oh my God. What are you doing? Ooh, I want a road date. Prosecco in it. Ah, it's stunning. Several hours later. Okay, so we are several hours later. I'm sure there's an awful echo in here. Sorry about that. We're on our way out now. I think we're gonna go try to find a hookah spot. I wanted to show you guys like my outfit that I have on. It's super cute. I'm wearing Amber's leather jacket. This is the pros of going on a girls trip. It's like you all just share clothes together. I have no idea where this little jacket is from, but it's clutch. It's freezing here in Vegas. Had no idea how cold it was gonna be. It's literally like 60 degrees out. It's freezing. Then I got this skirt from Meshki with just some black knee-high boots, and it's just an easy outfit. Hopefully I get a little vlog footage while we're there. Cheers to a little girls weekend. Morning guys, so it is the next day. Just thought I'd give you a little update. So last night we went out to this little hookah lounge. It was super cute. comedy night, which the comedy wasn't really hitting, unfortunately, but before the comedy, the DJ was amazing, the music was great, the vibes were good, so we enjoyed ourselves last night there, and then we went and got tacos and just hung out in the room, went to sleep. And now, today, we're getting ready to go to brunch somewhere, not actually positive, so we'll see. Maybe I'll take you guys with us, obviously I will. And then tonight, we're gonna have a reservation at Carbone, and then we're gonna maybe go out. So I will keep you updated. I have some cute outfits to show you later. And yeah, I'll probably catch you guys later when I get ready for dinner.
That water? Oh, sorry. Okay. We're at the Grand Lux Cafe. Ew. It's not bad, it's just really sweet.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The rosé?
Like it's giving like juice. I'm getting fried chicken, so I better not.
I know too. Well, I'm not gonna eat
And you got wings.
some food chicken. Let me know how it tastes.
What is that?
Because we should have one.
OMG, I'm so excited. Stopping to get ice cream. I'm very excited. This is my outfit for tonight. I'm just doing my meshki skirt again that I wore yesterday. Cute little corset by Manier Devois with my black boots. I didn't pack very well for this trip. I'm gonna throw on a black blazer and call it a day. You made a wish, you have to eat a little bit of it. That's so sweet.
Wow, thank you.
So I told you what it is. It's a lemon cheesecake. Whipped cream cheese filling, my lemon curd on top.
Okay.
Hey, I can't shoot
That's how the trip is ending. If that says anything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely check out Monos Luggage in the description box. And it was an amazing trip. Happy birthday to my girls. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.